Hi, Jamie here, also known as Standard American. My wife Kim and I own properties in the mountains of Northern California, where we plan on making a home and enjoying our retirement in the woods. Hey, Standard American here. Standard American doing Standard American things. So today, finally, got my saw. So we're going to be cutting these panels and installing them on the house. So this thing here is a diamond blade wet saw. So it's designed for cutting concrete. It's got a little pump that goes in the bucket of water, and that way it doesn't make as much dust. So yeah, we're gonna get these laid out and start cutting them and installing them on the house. So enjoy. All right. And y'all remember Jake? Oh yeah, these things are not light. Oh. All right. So I don't know that it matters which end is top and bottom, but they got these weird nubs.
Yeah.
But since I want to be cutting the bottom off, I don't want them nubs in my way, so I'm going to cut this, call this the bottom. And do one of these numbers. Ooh, that ain't gonna be much to cut off of that one. Yeah, 29 and 3/4 on this. And my straight edge is only 4 feet long, and these are 5 feet, so I'm going to have to get creative. I think that was pretty good. Alright, let's see how this works. Somewhere there's a switch for that. This all untangled. Just pulled the hose off. too bad. Noisy.
Yeah.
But,
seems got pretty good.
Yeah.
Where's this one going?
The other end of the house.
Oh.
We'll probably use the tractor to, or you know, could get the hand truck, but I don't know how awkward that would be.
Yeah. Probably pretty awkward.
Yeah. I think we'll put it in the tractor and drive over there. And but I got to put the Who's Your Daddy?
What are the ones with the little vents things on?
Those go in the corners.
Oh.
Well, this one's going to start just on the other side of the access door.
Okay.
Yeah. I guess basically that's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, I got these are the tabs that secure it to the top and bottom with these Tapcon screws. I'm gonna get the tractor and carry that over there, but I've got you guys tied to the tractor right now, so I'm gonna have to move you. All right, I think we got it figured out here. So we're gonna try this. Now, I'll just pick it up and carry it over there. Maybe. Yeah, these things are not light. Let's set it down for a second. Alright. Now this hangs down a little bit, so you'll have to tuck up underneath there. So I can get my leg in here. Get the screws ready. Alright, you ready? There, go ahead and pull on it. Here, come on this side and hold this for a second. I got it. Make the rest of them a little bit looser than that. And cut an extra 1/4 inch off of them, because that's a little too tight.
I don't know if you'll need a wedge for that one.
Yeah, I won't think I need a wedge for this one. All right, let's try this some more. We're getting close, but like I said, a little too tall, but we're gonna make it work. That's the side that's getting us, isn't it? Yeah, there's a bunch of trim that's in the living room on the floor. All right. Well, there you have it.
One down.
Panel number 1.
24 to go.
Looks pretty good. 24. I think there's a lot more than that. But yeah, we're gonna definitely make sure I cut these next couple a little bit shorter. So all right, back over to the other side. All right, we'll set the next one up. I'll try cutting it from the back side this time. Which means I gotta reverse my cuts, so get them on the back. Just looking for my pen. It was in my shirt. My shirt neck. So 29 and a half. I think I might make it 29. I'll use the tape measure. Not consistent. I can hook it that way. Well, 29 on this one. 30 and a half. I'll make it 30. I'm gonna make sure this one fits, man. Good eye.
Both wheels on it now, huh?
Well, not quite. Once I get going here, I won't probably. I think we can set the base back into place on this one, because we made it a good height. Whoop. Go ahead and bump it my way. Okay.
Good?
Yeah, I like that. Now, I'm gonna get one of these ready. Both the wedges. Lift that in. Okay. Oh, there we go. There it came. What's in there now? All right. I'm going to tighten this one up. Now we need to lift that end again, and I'll push this end back. There we go. Woo, too far. There we go. Got the wedge under there. That should hold it for a second. I'm going to put a screw in the top over there. Okay.
Get a little baby gap.
Yeah, that's all right. That gets caulked. If it's just a little gap, it's not that big of a deal. So, I'm going to do this number with
Are these your marks?
Huh?
Are these your marks? It's like Sharpie.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to say, that's just like right there.
I just kind of measured over 5 feet to get an idea where I was measuring to.
Yeah.
So it's not precise, it's just close. Now, oh yeah, that's gonna work good. So this will get caulking here, and then the base gets all mortared in with a mortar base. so this is done with the initial install part. We still got to mortar in everything at the bottom and then put the fascia up at the top. And we are golden. So yeah, it's not too bad. They're heavy and awkward, and if you try to make them too tight, they're really a pain. So suggestion would be to give yourself a good 1/2 inch play at the bottom and use the wedges. That's what the wedges are for. So all right, well, there we go. We're going to close this video out with this end of the house, and I've still got the caulking and the grout to do, but I'm going to make that another video later on, and we'll pick it back up later. We're going to do the other half, or the front side of the house, so yeah, we'll pick you up with that.